Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for SQL. That is, the special series called SQL. Today I'm going to explain the concept like collections, Varrays, nested and indexed by table. So whenever I'm going to explain with a small example, whenever like the channel, please subscribe and comment and share with the friends. First of all, here now, what is collection? Collection, we can say, is an ordered group of elements of particular data types. As of you know, moreover, can be a collection of simple data type or complex data type also, anything. Moreover, what will happen once you use the collection? When you go for use the collection, here the element is identify the term called subscript. So subscript the one similar to arrays where you studied in C language and so on. And moreover, these are classified based on the structure, subscript and storage like this here. So there are a few things that is called index by tables and nested tables are class VRS. So we are going to see one by one in any order. You can go through it. First of all, and before going VRS here now, at any point what will happen? Data in the collection can be referred by three terms, that is called collection name followed by subscript and field column name as collection name, subscript with angle bracket at last column underscore name. So this is the syntax we have to follow for entire collection concept. And VRS. So VRS is nothing but a collection method in which the size of the array is fixed. So we can say the size of the array might be a 10 or it may be a 20. Example, you can say 25 like that. Moreover, it can't be exceeded, then its fixed value. And the syntax is type space type underscore name is VArray, then size of data type. This is the data type. This is the syntax of the VRS. So what you learn here, the type name is the declared as a VArray of the type data type for the given size limit. Then nested table. What is nested table? Is nothing but a collection in which the size of the array is not fixed. That means numeric is, it consists of numeric subscript type. Syntax is type followed by type name is table of data type. So here remember VRS, there V in VRS the size of the array is fixed, but nested table is opposite of VArray, that is the size of the array is not fixed here. And here the type name is declared as a nested table collection of the type data type. And next one is index by table. Here it's also one of the collection in which the array size is not fixed. So it's also similar to nested table. And here what will happen means the subscript can consist be defined by the user. The syntax is type space type name is table of data type index by where character of 10. So here the type name is declared as an array index by table collection of the type data type as you seen here. So upcoming session, if you are definitely see the example, but today I also only one example and it will be easy for you. And next is constructor and initialization concept in collections. So as of you know, constructor are the inbuilt function provided by the Oracle. Moreover, it has the same name as of the sub object or collection, and these are executed where first whenever the object or collection is getting referred for the first time in the session. Remember, and it may be called explicitly also, and it also extends the memory allocation for a collection. Hence, constructor can also assign the variables to the collections here. And some of the methods, collection methods. So many collection methods supported in the PLSQL. We are going to see some only because these functions are main and always used to manipulate and work with the collections. Remember, this is useful in program to determine and to modify the different attributes of the collections here. One called exist of n and another called count. So exist of one is for return boolean results, and count for gives the total count of the elements present in the collection, and limit for it always return the maximum size of the collection, and first it is a return the value of the first index variable like so on, and follow with the syntax collection name count, collection name limit, and collection name dot first like that. So I'm expecting, sorry again repeating, if you know the SQL you can easily catch SQL also. And the simple program, so the simple program to insert the create a new employee record and insert the values at last print the employee information. So I am writing the program declare type emp underscore dat is record, then followed by employee number, then name, where character, and manager number, salary number. And I am going to create a type employee detail underscore table is table of emt underscore t. It's called sorry by mistake. Here I have to give CAC only, and I'm writing the insert into employee values. I'm writing like this: salary dot manager values of 1000 triple A, that is a number, and giving the salary and manager number and information, followed by all the data. At last I'm completing with the commit here. This is the part 1. Next part, now to select. So I'm writing the select employee space num comma employee underscore name manager comma salary bulk collect into CAC emp underscore I'm giving, and followed by output file. I'm writing employee detail. So once give this, what happened? Once execute the program, it will display the employee detail followed by number, employee name, salary, and manager number also. For this one, I'm writing the program with coding dbms underscore output dot put underscore line of employee name followed by CAC underscore emp rec of I dot emp underscore name. Similarly, salary and all the fields I'm filling here. At last, I complete the program, the end loop and the end. So this is the way how to create employee record and insert the value, at last print the information. So once execute the program, what will happen? It will once the code executed, there is no error, means you will get the information like this. That is employee number 1000, name and employee salary, at last employee manager. Like this, will get around 4 records. This is the way how to use collections in SQL. If you like the video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.